Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to change this default Firefox into this beautiful looking theme that is designed by me. So let's see. To customize Firefox, we use something called Firefox CSS that are written by other people. To find Firefox CSS, we will go to this site. I will put a link in description. As you can see here, many themes are listed. You can choose any from them, but we are not going to choose them because we are going to use my theme Snowfox. To download Snowfox, come to my repo. I will put a link in description. Just click in this code button and download zip. After the download is complete, simply open it. Here you will find a Chrome folder. Now you have to go in this URL about .profiles. Here you will find the root directory of Firefox and a button to open the folder. Simply click on open folder. It will look like this. Now come to the zip to download it and drag and drop this Chrome folder into this folder. Now you have to go to this URL about config. Accept, risk and continue. Now paste this line. If you are doing this for first time, you will not see this option. Instead you will see an plus button like this. Simply click on this plus button and make sure the option is checked to boolean. After that, simply make this true. Now you are done with every config. Simply restart your Firefox. As you can see, this is the theme, but it's not looking good because here are some issues. This is because this place is for bookmarks and I haven't made them visible. To make it visible, simply click on the navigation bar and bookmark toolbar and always show. Alternatively, you can click Ctrl+Shift+B. Now you have this beautiful looking theme with this hover effect and this glowing buttons for your screen actions. You can also enable the stories. If you like this theme, you can give it a star on GitHub. And if you like this video, simply hit the like button. To watch more videos from me, please make sure to subscribe the channel. Thank you.